Good afternoon everyone mula rito sa Marriott Grand Ballroom dito sa Parañaque City at nandito po tayo ngayon sa GolfCon 2025. Let's Golf in the Philippines, brought to you by Let's Go Pare in cooperation with the Department of Tourism, Love the Philippines. At kasama po natin ngayon ang main organizer ng GolfCon 2025. By the way, siya po yung ating bisita last time sa ating regular na Philippine Sports Writers Association Forum last Tuesday, Sir Jesse Mercado. Sir Jesse, welcome to Sports Corner PH. Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon. Jesse Guerrero.
Jesse Guerrero.
Yes.
Alright. So, batiin nyo ang ating mga followers.
Magandang hapon, magandang araw sa lahat. Kung hindi pa kayo nakakapunta, GolfCon, na makadaan kayo. Bukas po today until 8 p.m. Pero kung hindi man, sana yung susunod masuportahan at mapuntahan nyo.
Okay, Sir Jesse, sa information ng ating mga followers natin, even though meron tayong PSA forum na last Tuesday, kinover na ng iba't ibang mga organizations, kasama na kami. Ano itong GolfCon? Ano yung significance ito para sa industriya ng golf sa bansa?
Nung sinabi ko rin na rin dati, no? Nung inisip namin paano gawin yung GolfCon, is we wanted an event that was a little different. Hindi lang siya basta sale o hindi lang basta tournament. So dito, it's really a gathering of people so that they can collaborate with each other. And then also different brands are here. The golf courses are here. We have Dakar, Mimosa, we have Pradera here. So may mga booth display. So we're getting to know other golf courses. Si DOT 8 also from San Monico,
Eastern Visayas.
Eastern Visayas, yes. They're promoting their golf courses here as well.
And of course, nakikita natin sa bawat mga golf courses na mga booths, meron mga iba't ibang mga golf courses, mga golf equipment, and golf clubs. Tapos meron trolley at iba pa mga golf carts na ginagamit niya sa mga golf clubs. Ipinipicture natin. So anything and everything na golf ang pinipicture natin. Plus, dahil of course, uso na yun ang virtual golf.
Yes.
Dahil marami na mga virtual golf facilities somewhat in Metro Manila. May mga booths sila. At
Yes.
mukhang na-enjoy yung mga participants na maglaro. One or two ng virtual golf.
Oo, kasi hindi na kailangan pumunta or maging member sa golf course para makalaro. So here today we have Quantum, we have Bosen, we have VIP Golf, who is supporting the event. So we're very thankful. And you can get to try their simulators. No? Meron din dito mga simulator na bigay na pwede gamitin for club fitting, like yung kay Empire Sports, kay J10 or Strixon. They also have it here. They can have it fitted.
Okay.
Okay, ano rin. Also, we have Alpha Sports pala, which is they're opening a new branch of virtual golf in BGC, and they partnered with TaylorMade today.
Sir Jesse, kahapon po it was the opening ceremony at andun ang mga officials ng Department of Tourism. So, tell us more about yung first day ng GolfCon.
So, first of all, we're very, very fortunate to be in collaboration and partnership with the DOT, being led by, of course, the Secretary Frasco. And also for golf tourism and special projects, Yusek Kumapao, also the DOT golf director for golf tourism, si
Lyle Uy.
yes, Director Lyle Puy. So we're very blessed that they were able to grace the event yesterday. We have a message from the Secretary herself who says the Philippines is ready for golf tourism. So we want to help her in that endeavor and in that advocacy na we are ready to be a golfing destination, not just by neighboring countries, but also in the global market.
Yan kasi ang tina-target ninyo is to become a prime destination, not just for golf tourism, but of course, pwede rin pagdausan ng mga iba't ibang mga international golf tournaments.
Yes.
Kasi the last time we hold a Philippine Open
Yes.
dyan sa Carmona, yung ating Philippine Open ng golf last January, at mukhang sunod-sunod na magiging tournaments. Andyan rin yung ating mga kasama kanina, andun sa June Golf. Ang kanilang presidente si Sir Oliver Gan, Secretary General Coach Ariel Banguadja is here also to support yung ating June Golfers. And many other organizations na sumusuporta. Nandyan din ang NJAP, ang ating NCA natin. At marami pang iba. Yung suporta na binibigay ng mga organizations related to golf, naasahan mo ba yun na, of course, nakakatulong na malaki kung bakit ang daming mga bumisita na yun sa ating two-day golf call.
Yes, we're very thankful to all the organizations that helped us, especially NGAP, of course, who was leading the way in, really creating and managing the golf industry in the country. Obviously, Oliver Gan was here for JGFP. We also have other junior golf leagues who were present. Coach Chris Guerrero, who leads the Santa Lucia Teens Tour, or the Teens Tour Golf that is presented by Santa Lucia. So all of those things, I'm very thankful for the support at nandito sila.
And of course, meron tayong ongoing sa likod, ang masterclass. Among those who facilitators ito masterclass is the champion of Asian Tour, si Angelo K, na sinurpresa mong binigay doon sa PSA Forum, and other world-class international golfers na magbabahagi nga ng mga insights and expertise na pagdating sa golf. And we have also some celebrities. Si Derek Ramsey andito, si Sir Vince Ison. Ayan, si Sir Vince Ison. Vince the Prince. Ayan. Isa po siyang PBA legend back in the day, and also a golfer na rin at art. So, marami tayong mga celebrity golfers natin. Nakakatuwang malaman na, of course, their presence is truly helpful for the success nila.
Very, very helpful. Hindi lang sila. Obviously, we're happy that they're here. We also have influencers later who will be here, some celebrities who are also really golf enthusiasts. So, we're very thankful.
So, papalapit tayo sa pagtatapos niyan nitong GolfCon 2025, and meron ata kayong mga babahagi mga awards mamaya, parang mini tournament na mangyayari later. Ano mga details po?
Actually, it's just the awarding ceremony kasi yung tournament, the GolfCon Invitational was done at Night Golf in Intramuros noong March 6. Tapos na po, magka-award na kami mamaya ng mga winners.
So meron palang nauna ng tournament for night golf naman sa Intramuros. At ilan ba yung nag-participate doon?
We only have 60 kasi we capped it at 60 people. Ang mga nag-participate dito mostly our exhibitors, our sponsors, and some invited friends.
Okay. So, any future plans for GolfCon? For next year naman?
Yes. So I think this is a good time to do GolfCon every March or maybe a little later, maybe end of March for next year. We're already planning it. We've earmarked some locations where it will be, and then we will make those announcements.
So, abangan na lang natin.
Yes.
Even though nagtanong na ako before na ang plano ninyo, tituloy nyo yung plano ninyo na magkaroon ng GolfCon sa Visayas at Mindanao.
Yes.
Para at least yung mga nasa Visayas, Mindanao na mga golfing enthusiasts, makaka-experience na ng ganitong klaseng pagtitipon ng mga not just the beginners, the amateurs, mga recreational, and even yung mga influential golfers na makikita natin dito sa GolfCon 2025. By the way, meron kayong grupo, Let's Golf Pare. Ano ito?
So Let's Golf is my company. Gumagawa namin, nagka-photo video kami specifically for golf. So, it's also a community, a Facebook community where we talk about anything related to golf. Saan ka naglaro, kamusta yung laro mo, pero meron din kami mga pag-iengganyo sa mga baguhan or nagsisimula pa lang mag-golf or gustong matuto mag-golf.
So, it's more like a company supplying yung mga video at photo coverages ng bawat tournaments na sinasalihan. At marami kayong mga clients na iba't ibang mga tournaments.
Yes. So, we're like the only photo video that's just for golf. Yung iba gumagawa ng wedding, corporates. So Let's Golf Paris just focused on doing golf.
Okay, so Sir Jesse, imbitahan nyo sila sa uling mga oras ng GolfCon 2025 at magpasalamat ka na sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta, especially the media dahil inimbitahan
Yes.
kayo sa PSA Forum last Tuesday.
So, yung mga hindi pa nakakapunta, na makapunta kayo until today, March 9, 8 p.m. dito sa Marriott Grand Ballroom Exhibit Hall. Please come. If you don't get to come today, watch out for our next event in the near future. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng exhibitor, lahat ng nag-sponsor, lahat ng tumaan. Of course, especially sa media. Thank you kasi without the media's help, people would not know about GolfCon. So, malaking pasalamat at utang na loob namin to our media partners, also in the
PSA.
Philippines, in PSA, for posting and writing about us. We will be always grateful for your support.
And with that, Sir Jesse, maraming salamat po. Looking forward for more years for GolfCon at mas lalong ikabubuhay pa at ikasisigla pa ng Philippine golf community sa bansa. Especially, meron kaming partnership na yon with the Philippine Intercollegiate Golf Series.
Yun.
Shout out kay Sir Rabi Ibay at iba pa mga kasama sa Philippine Intercollegiate, which is actually meron silang last leg sa may Bulacan. We were supposed to be there pero malayo, pero dito na rin tayo na pagkasya dito sa ating GolfCon Day 2. God bless, maraming salamat at enjoy the GolfCon 2025.
Let's golf.
Let's golf in the Philippines. Love the Philippines. Bye-bye. Thank you.